We just got our package from Gladius Offroad. If you're not familiar with them, they do the tailgate emblems that say Gladiator across the back. So let's check out the box and see what's inside. Let's open it up, see what we got here. Got the Gladius Offroad badge. Install instructions, just scan the QR code. A couple more Gladius Offroad stickers. The template to put the letters on. All right, got it laid out. This is what it will look like on the tailgate. We did the bronze outline, and then underneath this, we'll peel it back. It'll be black, so it's black and bronze to match the rest of our logos. All right, real quick, I just wanted to show you what I used to take the Jeep emblems off. I used a hair dryer, a heat gun, whatever you have available. Fishing line to like get behind the letters and get them off. And then some sort of adhesive remover works great to get the rest of the 3M tape off. One last thing I like to do before installing the new emblems is hit the tailgate with some rubbing alcohol. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and you're good to go to stick on the new letters. All right guys, I want to be upfront with you. I don't have the Jeep logo on my tailgate at the moment because we swapped everything out to the 392 badging and it didn't go with it. Mine was silver. So we pulled that off right away. So when we start this video, you'll notice that I don't have that at the beginning. So the first step is to spray off the tailgate with some rubbing alcohol. We'll get that wiped up right now. All right, so I laid out the template on top of the bed here so I can show you what it looks like. So we laid it out. Each one has the letter to it. This one is the one you use to center it down here on the backup camera. Let's get the measurement from end to end and find the actual center of the tailgate. Okay, so we found the measurement of the tailgate. The width itself is 53¼ inches. Divide that in half, we got 26.625. So we measured that out. We're dead on in the center of the backup camera. So we'll grab the first piece of the template. This is the center right here. So you would line it up right there. I'll probably have my wife install these because my hands are too shaky, so I don't want it crooked. All right guys, to keep everything uniform and straight, we measured from the bottom of the tailgate to the top of the tape, and that's 9 5/16 inch, and that keeps you nice and straight all the way across. So as you guys see, we're just laying down one letter at a time, one piece of template at a time, just taking our time. We messed up right here. We left the tape underneath the template. We needed to lift that up again and pull the tape out. so we got all the letters stuck on, and from here what we need to do is peel off the template pieces that are in between and take the tape off, and then we'll take the covers off the black here. So last step to the whole thing is peeling off the protective covers on the black here, so let's go ahead and do that. So that's the install process for getting your Gladiator Tailgate emblem on the tailgate itself. Like I said, take your time, measure everything, it'll come out great. Alright guys, if you want one for your Jeep, just head over to gladiusoffroad.com right here. I'll link it down in the description, make it easier for you guys. Remember guys, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.